So, the men's volleyball here in SK177 Volleyball League will start today, January 3, 2025, Friday. So, when ang uniform, naman. Pag nagreklamo siya ito ba niya, hindi na lang tayo So, warm up na po yung first game. Hello guys! Day 2 of SK177 Best Volleyball League Men's Division. We are still here in Ana Maria Heights Subdivision. Enjoy watching the volleyball clips and the volleyball league clips.
Nahuli yung
Tekken versus GTA po, parehas undefeated na galaban. Grabe oh. Medyo patapit na po ang second day ng Liga ng Volleyball Men's, guys. Yan ang mga nangyayaring kaganapan here. Nandito pala kami sa Ana Maria Heights, near Maligaya. Okay, we're here on our last game, the second day. Tapos guys, tomorrow na yung semi-finals and the awarding. So it's a 3-day league. Kita-kits na lang po tomorrow. Tingin natin kung ma-vlog pa yung tomorrow. Makakaganapan lang. Next time. And tomorrow lilipat na rin ang court. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Sisters TV. Don't forget Please don't skip the ads. Thank you so much. Long rally. Ay. Ayan. Dumating na ang aming SB chairman. Yan, naka-black. Last game. For the second day.
Ay, sorry po.
Eto, Kiarn. Last game, guys. Sa ating second day. Nice receive. Mira easy over Milana. Fiesta to piliin niya. Salas. Cruz with the help of the net. Tagal ng rally. Hintayin natin madad. Doroin. Mendoza. Nice attack. Mendoza. Third and final day for SK 177 Best Volleyball League. So tapos na po yung first matchup ng semis, second matchup na po ito, rank 2 and 3.
Survey Cruz 23-21. Brainy moves from Lopez. Last one. Now serving Milana. To Doroin. Doroin ang atake. Nice attack. Last 22.
So break time. Thanks for the top silog, SK177.
Nakakadosebo.
Ay, sorry, Ayana. Hey. Thank you, SK177, for always feeding our stomach. Okay, next game po ay battle for third sa men's division.
Guys, sino na kayo sa kabilang side ng court mag-cycle?
Championship match for the women's. GTA versus Need for Speed.
Pinula, Bulan. Hala, Piover, not over. Official score 18-9. In favor of Team Need for Speed.
So nandito na yung mga
Last over,
trophies and
Ferrari.
medals. Ay, tinabi mo na yung ano. Medals.
33 for Ferrari. Now serving once again, Ferrari. Binigay na last.
2-0 na po, lamang na yung GTA ng dalawang sets. Last day for SK177 volleyball.
Score 22-16. Not over by Bulan. Now serving, jersey number 2, Arasa. Not over.
Championship match, timeout. So, ayun guys. Tapos na. Awarding na inabit.
Kayo na po, Fidel! Sumama ka na! Sawa ka! Mag-yun, sige, sabati ka!
Sige, hi! Hi kayo sa vlog.
Ako, tapos na.
Champion team. Sige. So, in a bit, awarding ceremony na. Thank you sa lahat ng sumali. Siyempre, sa SK177 sa nag-organize nito, grabe. Nakakatuwa lang kasi nabibigyan ng chance lahat ng volleyball enthusiasts, volleyball players ng aming barangay. And syempre sa mga kinuha kong committee, officials, thank you so much sa effort nyo para mabigyan ng magandang liga ang mga bata. Alam niyo yun, nakakapagod ang 3 days league, pero syempre all worth it. Yung makikita mong masaya ang mga kapwa volleyballista. Kaya naman, palambing lang po. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please, always don't skip the ads. I love you all, guys. Enjoy!
Ayan, isang magandang sila. Palakpakan natin ang bawat isa. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. And of course, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan din natin ang pumutok ng mga kapatayan ng mga 177. Muna ng ating chairman, Dean Joseph Dani. And of course, kasama niya masisipag na ating mga kagawad. Palakpakan natin. Ayan, para sa ating major award muna. Siyempre meron tayong certification for comedy. Ayan, basahin ko muna. Sangguniang Kabataan Barangay 177, Best Christmas Sports Week, Certificate of Recognition. This certificate of recognition is awarded to for their invaluable service and dedication as conflict during the SK League 2024, held on 5th of January 2025 at Olympic Sport. Your commitment to fairness and integrity has contributed to the success of the event and the promotion of the role Vince D. Salvani as the chairman and Head Committee on Sport SK Kagawad Honorable Ismael H. Buanan. Give it up for Joshua Mr. Aman Vercos. Mr. Sir, Ma'am. Sandra B. Repulo. And of course, ang napakasipag ng huli ng lahat ng SK, Kuya Brian Jr.
Sorry, pasabog.
Thank you so much.
Thank you!
Maganda naman lang po ng ating mga volunteer.
Bye guys, thank you!
Hello.